If you are thinking about having an ATM installed in your business, Goldstar ATM can help you enjoy more profits and fewer problems than other companies. When you choose an excellent ATM distribution service, you will be confident that you're getting all the service and sales support that you need, no matter what time of day or night you need it. At Goldstar ATM, we offer 2 different types of technicians to help you with all of your service and maintenance needs. You will regularly deal with a field technician. They come to your location for standard routine maintenance. A bench technician is the person behind the scenes that works to repair parts of your ATM that might be broken or worn out. Having a team of technicians on your side will allow you to enjoy the smoothest running ATMs out there. The ATM distribution service you choose will determine how often people use your ATM, so choosing the right one the first time is essential. When you choose a top-of-the-line ATM distribution service, you're going to enjoy excellent service at prices that allow you to keep more money in your pocket. When it comes to an excellent ATM distribution service, Goldstar ATM stands above the rest. Give us a call today at 1-855-242-2747 or visit our social medias to find out more about how we can help you grow your ATM business.